This is Fluff, because we care, windshield sunshade. So that's the packaging, and that's what the item looks like. It comes in this little carry bag, and we'll open it up. And what I'll do, I'll take it outside and fit it to the car. Now I've got the Fluff, because we care. That's what it says on the packet here, or on the cover I should say. We'll open it up. It's quite easy to fit. Just pop it up in behind the little mirror here and fold down the actual there. And that's it. That's how quick it is. And it's equally as fast to take it away. You just simply pull it out, and then you simply roll it, and then just simply pop it back into the packet. And there you are. We can pop it away in the glove box or in the back, and we've got a nice little windscreen shade whenever we need it.